This video is brought to you by Frobble, the complete Tesla camping kit for your Model Y.
Should I try to open it?
You can. I'm gonna stand back. If it's booby trapped, then you get get all the damage.
Look at the view.
Yeah, the car looks really good in the view there too. I would be so scared. Hi, I'm Jimmy and welcome back to Cooking in a Tesla. Today we're making mac and cheese, the recipe from acouplecooks.com, out of the Instant Pot. We got these beautiful pasta shells, some milk, some breadcrumbs, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and shredded cheese. So we're gonna add 4 cups of water.
Your sunglasses. Watch out.
That's what fell.
Yeah.
Teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic. Now we're gonna cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. Now it's gonna heat up for about 4 or 5 minutes. Once it gets to pressure, the 4-minute timer will start, and then we wait for it to count down, and we got some cooked pasta. Bugs are hungry. Pasta's done. Time to release the pressure. Aha, looks good. Now we are going to switch to the slow cook setting on the Instant Pot. And stir the pasta, then stir in the grated cheese. I can put in a little at a time, make sure we're not overdoing it. So let's just start with 1 cup of milk and add another ½ cup if we need to. That looks about the right consistency. All right, we just let it cook in for a couple minutes until the cheese all melts, and then top it with breadcrumbs, and we're done. We could probably eat it now. It looks pretty well melted. Now that we got the cheese melted, it looks perfect, ready to serve.